We're gonna try something a little different. I've been getting a lot of questions about paralleling generators. Can you parallel different brands? Can you parallel different sizes? Does it have to be the same brand? And so I'm gonna do this test. This is a Honda EU2000. This is a Generac 3000. Different sizes, different brand. As long as you don't overload the generator, a single generator. So this generator can put out 1,600 watts. As long as your combined load does not go over what this one can support, you should be fine. So if I'm running 4,000 watts and this one's putting out 2,000 and this one's putting out 2,000, that's not going to work. You have to put out 1,600, 1,600. It has to be balanced between the two. And it doesn't matter what brand. As long as they're both parallel capable, it should work. So let's go ahead and do a test. You guys have seen what this one can run. It can run 2 heaters by itself. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna run the 2 heaters plus something else. I'm gonna run a 1200 watt microwave, and we'll see if parallel actually helps. So the first thing we're gonna do is let's run the Generac and the Honda with the 2 heaters and see what we get. So let's remove the parallel kit. We're gonna plug it into the Generac first. Start that guy up. Eco mode on. Okay, so that's just the Generac. Heater on. One heater. Two heater. Overload light. Okay, so when we run the 2 heaters, each one's 1,500 watts. So that's 3,000 watts combined. That's pretty good for this generator because this generator has a output of 3,000 watt peak, 2,300 running watts. So that's pretty good. Let's try that on the Honda. So we're gonna plug in the Honda. Let's fire it up. Okay, eco mode on. Okay, Honda, 1 heater. The Honda will power 1 heater. Let's see what happens when you put 2 heater on the Honda. Overload. Done. Okay. Let's turn that off. Now, we're gonna put our parallel kit. Always plug these in before you start your generator. Okay, so now we'll start the Honda. Start the Generac. They're both on eco mode. Okay, we got a microwave in there now. Can we see that? Added a microwave to the mix. First heater on. Two generators, different brands. Where are you going, Honda? Second heater. Now you see what's going on? The Honda is working harder than this one because it's pulling 1500 watts right now. I got some water in here. 1 minute. Well, the breaker tripped. I put the microwave in this one. Okay, so we got this heater running, the second heater. One minute on the microwave. Perfect. $3,000, $4,000. Hot water. All right, so I hope that answers your question about paralleling. You can parallel different brands, different size, as long as you don't overload a single side. You still got to think of its wattage. So this one goes up max 1600, this one's 2300. They both can only run what the small one is capable of running. So 16 and 16. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. Just a quick tip about paralleling. I've had a lot of questions about it, so I'm just doing this video just to kind of answer that question. I hope it helps you out. All right, guys, so if you like these videos, please go ahead and subscribe. Help me grow my channel. It takes a lot of work to grow the channel and make these videos, so I'll just hit that subscribe button and help me out. Thank you and have a blessed day.